Roseville has proven itself to be a forward-thinking and innovative community from its earliest days, never afraid to think big when the situation required. In the first half of the last century, critically ill residents had to make the then long and grueling journey to Sacramento for medical care. That was until the early 1950s, when city leaders decided to build their own hospital here in Roseville. Little did they know how long this small hospital would contribute to the well-being of Roseville's citizens. 40 years later, the city sold Roseville Hospital to Sutter Health for almost $15 million. City leaders again thought big and used the proceeds to establish the Citizens Benefit Fund, a trust fund to help worthy nonprofit organizations in the area for generations to come.
People really loved Roseville Hospital. A lot of people physically built it, helped design it, and really cared what was going to happen to it.
The vision of our council members was just remarkable. We owe them a debt of gratitude for what they've done, the decision they made back then, and how that's impacting all of us now.
I think it's pretty amazing that there's been this sustainable grant fund, just source that's available for community providers to make life better for the citizens of Roseville. To provide this opportunity through the years has been amazing.
It was very forward-thinking to have a group of folks who said, let's take that money, make an annuity out of it, and do better and better things over time. That, I think, gives back to the community for as long as the community is around, and that's compelling.
To be able to take advantage of the opportunity for programs that were really uniquely needed in the community, but they aren't really a part of the menu of what the city of Roseville provides to its citizens. We have a set of obligations that we provide as a city to the community, but there were needs that still were unmet.
Anything from the arts to services such as ours for child maltreatment, onto great programs for kids and athletics, seniors. It's just amazing.
The Roseville Grants Advisory Commission was established to review requests for the available funds each year and make recommendations for grant awards to the Roseville City Council.
I always admire the process that the commissioners apply in their reasoning, because they really look at the breadth of the community, all sectors of the community.
I really think that the census of our group is to constantly try and give as many nonprofits a helping hand.
What I see on an annual basis are very compelling stories that organizations send to us who are really inspired to do good in the community.
They reach into the community in amazing ways, and it's amazing how much you can do with a little bit of money. All the organizations really work to leverage the resources that they do get from the city.
The amount of money available varies, but historically has been between $500,000 and $1 million per year. Overall, over $13 million has been directly invested into the Roseville community through the Citizens Benefit Fund since its inception. Over 115 different organizations have received funding over the years, most of which are still operating in the area.
I think one thing that's unique about our nonprofits in Placer County, particularly here in Roseville, we take a collaborative effort to join together and accomplish certain goals that we all have.
I think about us being partners with a variety of different organizations and services just to enhance the community and to make a life better for the citizens of Roseville.
For those organizations out there that are using this money, those that aren't, we live in a wonderful city, a wonderful county, and it's because of you. And we all appreciate it so very much. And I'm just proud to be a little tiny part of that and being a part of this commission.